Hi, Vaseline and onions might just be the only two ingredients you need for that your hair problem. Like hair falls, thin and weak strands, dandruffs, alopecia, and many other hair challenges that you might be facing. Yes, onions and Vaseline, as simple as it may sound, but very powerful. Hi, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are an OG, thank you for clicking in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't also forget to turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I drop a new video, okay? I'll be using a medium-sized onion. I prefer to use red onion. If you don't have red onion, you can use any one you have. But if you have red onion, make do with that, okay? I'll be getting out the juice of this onion so that we can use it for our remedy, okay? And also I'll be using this Vaseline. Don't worry, I'll be telling you how I use, or showing you rather, how I use this Vaseline for my hair growth with this onion, okay? You can use any Vaseline, but I have this one with vitamin E, which is even an added advantage, and I'm using that, so you can make do with whichever you have, okay? I'll be telling you all the benefits you'll be getting from this while you watch how I get out the juice from the onion. Raw onion juice is one of those popular natural remedy for hair, primarily used to boost growth, reduce hair loss, and strengthen hair. This works by supplying high level of sulfur for keratin production, improving blood circulation to the scalp, and providing anti-inflammation and antibacterial benefits that fight dandruff and other infections. Studies have suggested that raw onion juice is effective in treating patchy alopecia areata, with significant regrowth observed, especially in male gender. The high sulfur content in onion juice helps to support the creation of keratin, which is crucial for stronger, thicker, and reduced breakage in your hair growth journey. Onion juice also contains antioxidants like quercetin to combat scalp inflammations and nourish hair follicles. You can see the process that I took to get out the juice. First of all, I've washed my onions before this video. So after washing it, I cut it into two and grated it. You may not cut yours into two, just do you, okay? So after grating it, you can as well blend it with little water, but I prefer to grate it this way. I am not adding any extra water to the onion, as you can see. So I prefer grated to blending. But if you don't have a grater, or you prefer to use a blender, you can go ahead to use that, okay? Just add little water, or if your blender can blend without water, you can go ahead to blend it without adding water. After getting out the juice, I poured everything into my spray bottle and it is ready for me to use. Now, I want to use this opportunity to ask if you have liked this video, and if you have not, what are you waiting for? Like this video, give me that thumbs up, because it will go a long way in this channel, okay? Especially in this particular video, it will help to push this video to many audience that need this particular recipe for their hair challenges, okay? Please do well to give me that thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any hair recipe, okay? And remember, in the last, I think, was it the last video? In one of the videos, I told you guys that I am transitioning. Yeah, my front hair, like my edges, I am so happy about it now, because my edges was in a mess before, and now you can see where my natural hair has grown to. It is growing. All these recipes are seriously working, and to tell you that I just stopped relaxing my hair ending of last year, which is 2025. It's not up to 6 months, and I have gotten this much growth. It's amazing. I've been using all these natural remedies that I am sharing, and I will be sharing with you guys. So keep on watching, and also subscribe, just as I said earlier, so that you don't miss any video, okay? If you are looking to grow your hair, let's grow it together. When you make this onion juice, you can go ahead to add any essential oils like lavender or any nice smelling essential oil to reduce the odor, because a lot of people will complain about the odor from the onion juice. Personally, I like it. I can even chew on raw onions, so it's not a problem for me. But if it is a problem to you, you can go ahead to add any essential oil. I actually have essential oil which I use in some of my all those not nice smelling hair recipes. I have my lavender, but I decide not to add it in this. It's not actually bad, just as I said, is not bad to me. But if it's bad to you, go ahead and add any essential oil that you have. Okay, you can see how I generously applied everything into my scalp, so it is better you put your hair in a protective style so that you will get this directly into your scalp. And I went ahead to take out my silicone massager to massage my hair, like I gave it thorough massage. Giving your hair thorough massage after a product application will help blood circulation and also help the whatever the recipe you have used to penetrate into your scalp and do its work. Here comes our Vaseline. Okay, so this is what I am using it for. I am actually using it as a sealant to seal in the moisture from the onion juice, so that the onion juice will be trapped into my scalp and do their job. After applying all this, you are going to cover your hair with a plastic bag or anything that will retain heat in your hair, and carry it for like 1 hour before you wash it with a mild shampoo. Okay, if you use this recipe consistently, it is going to help prevent excessive hair fall by providing necessary nutrition to the roots. Okay, for best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Be consistent with it. Okay, and before I forget, I will advise you do a patch test first to avoid irritations, especially if your scalp easily gets irritated when you use new things. Okay, do a patch test first. With consistency, you are going to see results in 4 to 8 weeks. Thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. Don't forget to like this video before you leave, and we have other hair care videos in this channel. Feel free to watch them, and don't also forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Do well to stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.